Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go, the 2011 Bobcat S205. Hard to find Kubota powered, 2-speed, cab heat, under 1,000 hours. Nice straight tailgate. Behind that tailgate, an interim Tier 4 Kubota diesel. We got the horsepower, we got the block heater, simple service. You look at the rear door, no big marks, no exhaust, no residue. Overall machine in real nice shape. Machine does have a few blems on it, and I'll point those out to you, but none back here. Everything looks good. Oil cooler and radiator, excellent. Now where you see some blems are around here, and they've been touched up. Also down here and on the side of the machine. Overall though, the machine's in pretty nice shape. This is kind of a typical area on a Bobcat to see some corrosion, and it is present here. I was cleaned up and primed and painted. Just a little touch up. Keep the machine sealed up. We got our standard flow hydraulics. It is also equipped with a 7-pin attachment control kit. Nice clean cab. No power bob attach on this unit. It will come with a 68-inch bucket, which should be a low profile. It's a key start machine. You see our hours are at 987.1. Standard flow hydraulics again. Cab heat. We got the wiper. Foot controls. Everything is as it should be. Your 2-speed control is right here. And when we gauge it, you can see the rabbit light up. These are powerful, easy to maintain machines. They'll come through the shop sometimes with 17,000 hours. So will they go the distance? Absolutely. We've got the vertical lift boom on this model, so it'll load a dump truck and it'll reach closer to the center at full height. So nice package for just about any chores you've got. Great visibility on the machine when you back up. You've got this little window down here that you can see the corner of the tires. Makes it real easy to back the machine up. Tie downs are in place. We've also got a tie down on the boom. Again, more corrosion here that's been treated and touched up. Overall machine, real nice shape. There's no welds or breaks on the boom. Routine service. It's a one-owner machine. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this extra capacity 205. So the 205's got a rated lift capacity of 250. They accomplished that by putting more counterweight in the belly of this machine right from the factory. Very capable machine. Smooth running. It'll run all day. Great shape. Give us a call. Tri-State Bobcat. We've got 3 locations. Check the posting to see the numbers on those. If you want to call me direct, do so. 715-781-3940. My name is Jeff. 715-781-3940. Tri-State Bobcat. Give us a call. Thank you.